I never came to the beach, stood by the ocean. I never sat by the shore under the sun with my feet in the sand. You brought me here, and I'm happy that you did, 'cause now I'm as free as birds catching the wind. I always thought I would sing, so I never swam. I never went boating, don't get how the air floating. And sometimes I get so scared of what I can't understand. But here I am, next to you. The sky's more blue in Malibu. Next to you in Malibu. Next to you, baby. We watched the sun go down as we were walking. I'd spend the rest of my life just standing here talking. You would explain the current as I just smile, hoping that you'll stay the same and nothing will change, and it'll be us just a while. Do they even exist? That's when I make the wish to swim with the fish. Is it supposed to be this hard all summer long? I never would have believed you with 3 years ago. You told me I'd be here writing this song. But here I am, next to you. The sky's more blue in Malibu. Next to you in Malibu. Next to you, baby. Next to you, the sky's more blue in Malibu. Next to you.